In the beginning, life stirs on Earth. Our planet, Earth, wasn't always teeming with life. Billions of years ago, it was a very different place, hot, volcanic, and with an atmosphere nothing like the air we breathe today. Yet in this harsh environment, something incredible happened. The first sparks of life appeared. Scientists believe that life began in the water. Simple, single-celled organisms emerged in the primordial soup. These tiny life forms were very basic, but they had something special. They could replicate themselves and pass on their characteristics to their offspring. This ability to reproduce is fundamental to life and evolution. Tiny cells, big impact, the first organisms. These early single-celled organisms, like amoebas, were the ancestors of all life on Earth. They were incredibly successful and spread throughout the planet's oceans. Over millions of years, they slowly changed and diversified. Some developed new ways to get energy, like photosynthesis. This process, used by plants today, harnesses sunlight to create food. This was a major turning point, as it released oxygen into the atmosphere. This oxygen eventually allowed for the evolution of animals who need it to breathe. Joining forces. The rise of multicellular life. For billions of years, single-celled organisms were the only life forms on Earth. Then something extraordinary occurred. Cells began to cooperate and live together, eventually forming multicellular organisms. These were the first simple plants and animals. This new form of life, with its increased complexity, opened up incredible possibilities. Organisms could now specialize cells for different tasks, leading to the development of tissues and organs. This paved the way for the incredible diversity of plants and animals we see today. Section 4. From fur to feet, mammals takes center stage. As life continued to evolve, a new group of animals emerged, the mammals. These warm-blooded creatures, covered in fur or hair, were well suited to a variety of environments. They nurtured their young with milk and possessed a remarkable ability to adapt. Among the mammals, a group called primates emerged. Primates had grasping hands and feet, good eyesight, and larger brains relative to their body size. These characteristics proved advantageous for life in the trees, where many early primates thrived. Section 5. Standing tall, the dawn of humanity. Millions of years later, in Africa, a remarkable change occurred within a group of primates. They began to walk upright on two legs, a trait known as bipedalism. These were the early hominids, our ancient ancestors. Bipedalism freed their hands to use tools. This ability to manipulate objects, coupled with increasingly complex brains, set hominids on a unique evolutionary path. They became increasingly skilled at making and using tools, hunting, and interacting with their environment. Section 6. Thinking big brains, tools, and civilization. Over time, the brains of these early humans continued to grow, and their cognitive abilities advanced rapidly. They developed language, allowing them to communicate and pass on knowledge. This ability to share information and cooperate in complex ways was a defining moment in human evolution. Early humans formed communities, developed art and culture, and eventually civilizations. They learned to farm, build cities, and create complex societies. The journey from those first single-celled organisms to the modern humans we are today is a testament to the power of evolution and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth.